Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic conicoid. Question is given: find the equation of tangent plane to the conicoid x square plus y square is equal to z square at the point 3, 4, 5. Let's solve the problem. Given conicoid is x square plus of y square is equal to z square. And we can also write the given equation of conicoid in the form of x square plus of y square minus of z square is equal to 0. Let this equation 1. And the point is given at conicoid is at the point is given 3, 4, 5. And let equation 1 is equal to f of x y comma z is equal to x square plus of y square minus of z square, and this is equal to 0. And from here we have to find, we can once again we have to taking here this is equal to 0 once again. We have to taking equal to f of x comma y comma z comma this is equal to 0, and here we have to let this is the function of f of x comma y comma z is equal to x square plus of y square minus of z square. And from here we have to differentiating the given function, we have to let this equation 2. Differentiating given equation 2 with respect to x, y and z separately. First we have to differentiating with respect to x. This gives del f upon del x is given by 2x. And further we have to find differentiating partially with respect to y. This gives del f upon del y. This gives 2y. Similarly we have to differentiating del f upon del z. Del f upon del z. This gives minus of 2z. And we have to find the del f upon del x and del f upon del y and del f upon del z at point 3, 4, 5. So we have to find at del f upon del x at point 3, 4, 5, and we have to put in here this is the value of x, y, z. Here 2 into x, here x is 3, so we have to put in here, we get here 6. Similarly we have to find del f upon del y at a point 3, 4, 5. Here x, y, z, here y is 4 and this given 2 into 4, this gives 8. Similarly for del f upon del z we have to find here, this is del f upon del z at point 3, 4, 5. Here z is 5, so we have to put in here minus of 2 into 5, we get here minus of 10. And we have to further we have to find equation of tangent plane. Equation of tangent we have to write in here equation of tangent to the given tangent to the given conicoid. We have to write in here del f upon del x, we can also write in the form of this is f of x, and del f upon del y, this is written as f of y. And similarly we have to write in here del f upon del z is f of z. And we can write the equation of tangent to the given conicoid at f of x at point into x minus of x1 plus of f of y minus of y1 plus of f of z minus of z1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent to the given conicoid. Here fx at point 3, 4, 5. So we have to putting the value here. F of x we have to calculate it here. This is 6 and x minus of x1. Here we have to let this is x1, y1 and z1. x1 is 3, so we have to writing minus of 3 plus of fy is 8 into y minus of y1 is 4 plus of fz. Here we have to fz is calculated minus of 10, so we have to writing here minus of 10 into z minus of z1 is minus of 5 is equal to 0, and we have to solving, we get the required equation of tangent. Solving here we get 6x minus of 18 plus of 8y minus of 32 minus of 10z plus of 50 is equal to 0. And from here we have to simplifying further, we get here this is 6x plus of 8y minus of 10z, and here minus of 18 and minus of 32. Here we get 50, minus of 50 and plus of 50, we have to cancel out, and the remaining is equal to 0. And from here we have to taking 2 common from left hand side. This is given by 3x plus of 4y minus of 5z is equal to 0. 2 is taking equal to 0. Then the remaining is 3x plus of 4y minus of 5z is equal to 0. This is the required equation of tangent to the given conicoid. And we can also write the given equation 3x plus of 4y is equal to 5z. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class and thank you for watching.